SD-WAN is about delivering a real unified automation simplification to the enterprises for all their networking needs. Hi everyone, my name is Sunil Khandekar. I'm the Vice President and General Manager of Nuage Networks from Nokia, an SDN venture. As we start to get back to the new normal, we're seeing three clear trends in terms of enterprise networking. Trend number one, it's all about multi-cloud, hybrid cloud architectures. These multi-cloud, hybrid cloud architectures are driven by enterprises' accelerated adoption of multiple public clouds, driven by their needs of various applications, as well as microservices architectures are driving the need of hybrid cloud. There's some middle mile solutions that have emerged, but they're rather simple and narrow in focus with regards to having the ability to avail the multiple public clouds, but don't take into account all the varying requirements of enterprises, especially the distributed workforce. Which brings me to the second trend, a highly distributed enterprise workforce post-pandemic. Enterprises need unified networking and security not only for their highly distributed workforce, but they need security and unified networking for the fixed endpoints, for the mobile endpoints, because there's an increasing reliance on mobile endpoints, as well as for cloud endpoints, and of course the cloud on-ramps. All this tied together is clubbed under the umbrella of SASE, Secure Access Service Edge, but it needs a very evolved and thoughtful approach on how that particular need of enterprises is delivered. Trend number three, IoT and 5G are driving the need for distributed edge and far edge. This, of course, in turn drives the requirement for networking, which is rather sophisticated, at that distributed edge. And as a result, there's again some solutions which are rather narrow in focus and don't really take into account the other requirements that enterprises have vis-a-vis networking. At Nuage, we are responding to these three trends by staying true to the promise and framework of software-defined networking, which is to have a disaggregated platform, have an intent-based policy engine that delivers automation, that delivers control, that delivers visibility, and is able to allow enterprises to have this unified fabric for all their requirements and be able to secure all the endpoints, fixed endpoints, mobile endpoints, cloud endpoints, as well as the cloud on-ramps. We will always stay true to this mission rather than have a legacy appliance branded as SD-WAN or have automated scripts and call it SD-WAN. SD-WAN is about delivering a real unified automation simplification to the enterprises for all their networking needs.